मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Be careful, Babuji.
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it. Babu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait. No, Mom.
Hey, Jetia, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again, huh?
Caught him.
No.
Here, take this, Jetia.
Babuji. Yeah.
Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hi.
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck! We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why. Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy, and with a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk with a dark face and red hair. Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lime, go.
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jetia.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Jaya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is. The milk. Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
Ah, I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tappu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsy. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan had failed. Uncle Bunsy turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsy's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her. Ah.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsy is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me
This first, master.
Oh my goodness, I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tappu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. Whoa, what do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Huh?
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Harya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Take this.
Come on, get out of here.
Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go.
Oh man, it's so hot today.
Yes, Tappu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick.
We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will we bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right?
Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been a while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Vilchu Kakas? Look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I am talking about Buffy. I
Huh?
am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. The moment you see anyone coming, just let me know. Yeah.
Tappu, you guards are coming this way.
Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey Tappu!
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapu Sena.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapu Sena's honor.
Huh?
Yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yay!
Eh?
Ah.
Uncle, don't underestimate Tapu Sena.
Forgive me, please forgive me. I.
I have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tapu Sena will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.